Good morning, everybody. Jake Easter here at MarineMax down here in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. Today I'm on a 290 SDX. Just want to show you some features. So step on board and I'll show you a little bit about it. So starting off here at the stern, you've got your twin 250 V8 Mercury Verado outboards. Looks really nice. And so you also have a large sun lounge area just to lay out and get some sun here on the back of the boat. There's also a lot of storage back here, believe it or not. If you flip this latch, you can put all of your fun swimming gear, all your boards, all that stuff. You can fit it really nice down in here. Making our way into the cockpit, I want to point out too, got a little cooler right here, so you don't have to go all the way into the boat, get everybody wet. They're sitting in the boat and they're nice and dry. Get you something to drink right here when you get on the boat, coming out of the water. So coming into the cockpit, got a wash down, and also to get to storage. This lifts up. Look how much storage you got back here on the 290. Really nice. Easy access there. And then just the cockpit area itself. Check out all the seating. Sea Ray does a good job making sure everybody sits very comfortably. Great family boat, sit a lot of people. Nice train horn this morning. Nice washdown station. A little bit of, you can set up some drinks in here. Got a sink. Got a very nice refrigerator. It also comes with a freezer. And notice all these seats have storage underneath. So you can store a lot of stuff on these boats. We've also got on this port side, good area to put a cooler too. Made it special just so you can put a cooler out of the way, just so everybody's not tripping over that. So also, anybody that's worried about, getting under bridges, just worried about, their top getting hit, this 290's got a bimini top, so you never have to worry about running into anything. You can lower it down just so it comes real flush to the boat. That way you can sneak under these low bridges that are down here. Two of these seats on both sides, you can face them forward or aft. So here at the helm, Simrad display, flush mounted, got your paddles, got all your switches up front, you got your Fusion stereo here, and just moving over to the port side, check out the head. This boat's got the porta potty, you can take it out, whatever you need to do. Got some storage down there, looks really nice. And coming up to the bow now. A lot of access, a lot of way, a lot of room just to make your way up here. A lot of seating up here as well. Got your speakers, your Fusion speakers up here. It's got your windlass. You've also got your armrest. And I'm telling you, I might just sit out here all day and relax. What a great boat. Come check us out, man. This is the 290 SDX here at MarineMax in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. If you need anything, you want to check out some boats, give us a call. We'd be glad to help. Thank you.